Hello, everyone, and welcome to What the Fun English, the podcast where learning English is easy and fun. Today's episode is called Prepositions of Movement Part 2.
That's right.
We will learn more small words that show movement and direction in simple English.
Yeah, if you remember in Part 1, we learned words like across, through,
Into, out of, between, and to. All very useful.
Exactly. But today we have 6 new words for talking about how we move.
Okay, what are they?
We have up, down, under, past, around, and towards. So shall we start with the first 2? Up and down.
Let's do it.
Okay, picture this. Imagine a very big mountain or a big hill.
I'm picturing a big green hill.
Good. Now let's talk about the word up.
Up.
Up is for vertical movement. It means moving to a higher place.
Okay, so like with the hill, I walk up the hill.
Exactly. You walk up the hill, your body is moving higher.
I walk up the hill.
Or she walks up a hill. Same idea.
Right. So a question for you at home. Do you walk up or down to get to your work or school?
A great question. Now, what's the opposite of up?
That would be down.
Yes. Think about some stairs in a house.
Okay, I see the stairs.
The word is down.
And down is the opposite of up. It's movement to a lower place.
Exactly. So with the stairs, you can say, I walk down the stairs.
I walk down the stairs, moving from a high place to a low place.
Yes. Or another example, he walks down the road. Sometimes the road goes lower.
That makes sense. So a little role play.
Let's do it.
Do you walk up the hill to school?
Yes, and I walk down the other side.
Ah, of course. Up and then down.
Right. So that's vertical movement. Let's move on to our next word.
What is it?
The word is under.
Okay, under.
So, picture this.
Uh-huh.
Imagine a bridge. A big bridge going over a river.
Got it. A big stone bridge.
Perfect.
So under means moving below something.
Yes, exactly. Below something, like a bridge or maybe a table.
So with a bridge, a simple example is, I go under the bridge.
Yes. You are not on the bridge, you are below it. And here's another one with an animal. The dog runs under the table.
The dog is below the table.
Yes, moving from one side to the other.
So, a question for our listeners. Do you go under a bridge on your way to work?
Good one. Okay, next word.
I'm ready.
The word is past.
Past.
Picture this. You are walking down a street.
A busy street.
A busy street, yes. And on this street, there's a store. Maybe a bookstore.
I like bookstores.
Me too. Now the word is past.
So what does past mean?
It means moving by something, but you don't stop. You just continue. You pass the object.
So you see the store, but you keep walking.
Exactly.
An example sentence would be, I walk past the store.
Perfect. I walk past the store. You don't go in, you just keep going.
I walk past the store. Another one could be, we walk past the cafe.
Walking past a cafe is hard. I always want to stop for coffee.
Me too.
Yeah.
Let's do a mini role play for this one.
Okay.
Do you walk past the bakery?
Yes. But I don't stop for cake.
Very good willpower.
Mm-hmm.
So that's past.
And, we're moving past the halfway point of our lesson.
That's a good time to say, if you are learning simple English with us and having fun, please remember to subscribe.
Yes, it really helps us keep making these easy lessons for you.
Okay, on to our next word.
Right. So we have 2 more words, and they are about direction and navigation.
Sounds important.
Very. The first one is around.
Around.
Picture this. You are in a park.
A beautiful park with trees.
And in the middle of the park, there is a big building A museum, maybe?
Okay, a big museum. I can't walk through it.
Exactly. You can't go through it. So you must go around it.
So around means moving in a circle or a curved line.
Usually to avoid an object that is in your way.
So the example is, I go around the building.
Perfect. You don't go through it, you go around the building.
I go around the building.
And another one, maybe there's a water fountain. They go around the fountain.
In a circle. Okay, so for everyone listening, do you go around the park or through it?
Good question. Which brings us to our very last word for today.
And what is that?
The word is towards.
Towards. That's a longer one.
Picture this.
I'm picturing it.
You are walking and you need to get a train. You can see the train station.
Yes, it's far away, but I can see it.
Great. So the word towards is all about direction. It means moving in the direction of something.
So it's not about arriving, it's about the direction you are moving in.
You've got it. It's the direction, like the station or maybe an exit, the final point.
So a simple example is, I walk towards this station.
Exactly. Your body is pointed at the station and moving in that direction. I walk towards the station.
I walk towards the station.
Yeah.
Or, if I am leaving a building, I walk towards the exit.
Perfect. So a question for you is, where are you walking towards right now?
I like that. So can we connect around and towards?
We can. Let's try that little dialogue.
Okay. I'll ask you, do you go around the park?
Sometimes when I walk towards the station.
Ah, I see. You go around the park because your final direction is towards the station.
Exactly. The two words work together.
That's really clear. So I think that's all 6 of our words for today.
It is. Should we do a quick review?
Yes, let's do a final review. The 6 words we learned are
up, down, under, past, around, and towards. Those are great words.
They really are. And these words help us describe, vertical movement, direction.
And how we navigate our cities, parks, and even our own homes.
So we have a little challenge for everyone.
Ooh, a challenge. What is it?
We want you to try using the simple sentences we learned today. Try to make your own.
Okay, so you can use patterns like, I walk up, and then finish the sentence.
Or, I go under.
And, I walk towards. And when you practice, try to really imagine the movement. Look in the direction you are talking about.
That's a great tip. Visualize the action.
It helps so much.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
It was fun.
Bye for now, and remember, learning English is easy and fun.